Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eta Claudia Octavianti, and in this video I will explain about a post-colonial perspective on a hybrid cuisine from my hometown in Bondowoso. So, post-colonialism is an approach that focuses on the impact of colonialism on society, culture, identity, and particularly how people in former colonies redefine themselves after the colonial period ends. And this approach not only discusses about the period after the formal end of colonization, but also highlight the ways in which colonial influences remain present in various aspects of everyday life, such as food, language, art, and tradition. In postcolonial theory, one important concept is hybridity introduced by Homi K. Bhabha, and this concept explains about how the encounter between local and colonial cultures produce new practices, identities, or traditions that are unique and transcend the boundaries of the original identities of the cultures. One real example of this concept is tape in Bondowoso. Is a typical food from Bondowoso is Java. Tape is made from cassava, a plant that was introduced to the archipelago by European colonizers such as the Portuguese and Spanish, before finally being widely utilized in the colonial economic system by Dutch. Cassava became a symbol of colonial exploitation because it was introduced as an alternative food for people who lost access to the rice due to the first cultivation system, which prioritized export crops such as coffee and sugarcane. During the colonial era, cassava was often considered as a lower class food, reflecting the social hierarchy created by colonization. Bondowoso tape is the result of a shared space where local and colonial cultural elements meet to create something new and unique. And in addition, the transformation of cassava into tape can be understood as a form of cultural decolonization, where local people not only accept the colonial heritage but also creatively reconstruct it into their own culinary identity. So, today, tape Bondowoso is not only a widely known specialty food, but also a symbol of regional pride and a leading product of the local economy. Tape has developed from just an everyday food into a commodity distributed to various regions in Indonesia, reflecting the success of the Bondowoso community in integrating colonial heritage into a modern concept. And this product shows how local identity continues to develop by adapting colonial history while creating new narratives that are relevant in the present. And tape Bondowoso is not only a traditional food, but also a symbol of adaptation, resistance, and reconstruction of local identity that can be understood through a post-colonial perspective. Through this study, we can see how food not only function as a basic need, but also a cultural medium to understand the dynamics of history, power, and community creativity. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.